Okay, so I want the strawberry one. Sorry, Gooch. I want this. Hello, focus. The strawberry one. I want the strawberry one, or the pink princess. Okay. Okay. Here's my little sack. Oh, it comes with a card. Does the card... Wait. I'm not gonna look at it, because I don't know what it means. Where do I open this? Right here. Ready? Oh, it's big. I thought it'd be small. Oh, cute! Cute! Wait. What? Now I'm confused. Was this even an option? Wait. I'm really confused. Whatever. I got Base Girl. I'm really confused on, how do I take this off? Okay. I don't understand what just happened. But that's okay, I suppose. Did I do this right? Yeah. I don't know. Base Girl. Which is cute because I like the base. I'm happy. Do I take her head off? I'm really confused. Oh, I see. There we go. Freeing her. Oh, cute. Okay. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Happy. Good. I'm really excited about this one. I got the Peach Riot Rise Up. Oh, I just knocked my Base Girl over. Sorry, girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't know which... Okay, I'm happy with literally any of them, but I want one of the ones with the cat. So... I think I want... Frankie, Sick Beats, or maybe... I like the rhythm Frankie too, with the cat. I like the cats. Okay. Okay. Hello. How do I open this? There we go. Okay. For you? There's a thing in here. Hold on. Okay. There's a card in this one too. Hold on. Okay. Here we go. Oh! I got the one that I wanted. Right? Yes. I think so. Who is this? Frankie. It's Frankie. Yes. It's Rhythm Frankie. Oh my god. Oh, cute. No, and she's got the little cat. And the drumstick. So cute. I want to open... Hold on. Oh, so cute! Okay. Here they are, my little babies. Look how cute they are. Oh, I'm so excited. Good purchase. Yes. Very cute. I'm very excited. I have to fold my clothes.
Even in the fullness of time, you're all too weak to become better men. I ripped you from your stagnancy and forged an inch to your end. Finally strung a soul me short, running in circles with his tail between his legs. You left him blind you with his fragility. Now you'll see the price to pay. This never stopped me forgetting. I have an unbreakable stride. But I will reap my benefits. And I will wait for you to die.